Today I'm going to show you how to light charcoal if you don't have chimney or some kind of fire starter or this garbage. I do not like lighter fluid and I've never used it before on my Weber kettle. That stuff is the devil, 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 devil. Charcoal though, if you're in a pinch, this will help you out. I did a video recently. It was Who Likes a Tailgate, I believe is what it was called. And this second way I'm going to show you how to light charcoal saved my butt. Yeah, it stunk. If you got neighbors that you don't like, this would be perfect for them. It stunk, but I'll tell you what, it worked. But I'm going to show you how to use Doritos. Any kind of potato chip or Doritos, any kind of nacho chips, Cheetos, Fritos. Fritos stink really bad. Work great for this. All right, let me show you. We start with just some regular old charcoal. A nice base going there. All right, now the fun part. Let's take some Doritos. What I'm looking for this is I want the big Doritos. The little ones are just going to fall through the cracks. Not going to help me out too much. Now I'm going to just carefully place charcoal over the top. Excellent. I can already start smelling the Doritos. It does have kind of a funky smell to it, but it does go away. Oh, good Lord, you can really start to smell it now. Whew. God. Oh my goodness. Now I'm standing looking through the camera right now at this, and you can see all the smoke coming off, obviously. Good Lord, does it stink. But it won't last very long. As soon as that charcoal gets hot enough, and most of our fuel has burned away, that smell is going to go away. And you don't get this smell either on your food. There you go. We're going to continue to watch this. We're into this about 5 minutes. For me last time, it took about 30 minutes. So the timer is on. See you in a few. It's been about 25 minutes, so let's take the top off. Yes, I did put the top on, because I wanted to kind of regulate the airflow a little bit more, but if you look at that, that's amazing. Oh God, that's hot too. As you can see, we definitely have some action going on in there. That's what saved my tail at a tailgate. So there you go. I could start cooking on this with no problem whatsoever. All right, so there you have it.